I have been joined by Congress Party's senior leader and Rajya Sabha MP, Mr. Dipendra Hooda. Mr. Hooda, there are information coming in that there is a request that the elections, the upcoming assembly elections, in particular that of UP, should be delayed by a few months. What's your take on it?
See, I think any discussion on this issue will be premature because all the facts and information is still coming as far as this third wave is concerned, Omicron wave is concerned. What needs to be done, I believe, is that all-party meeting should be called in Lucknow by Election Commission and the UP government, because the election, although the dates have not been announced, but pretty much the elections have started. So now the government cannot take unilateral decisions on this. Currently, what is the policy of the government, UP government? Yogi government is conducting rallies in the day and night curfew in the night. So big rallies in the day and night curfew in the night is not something which is, people are unable to understand what this policy is. Now with the developing scenario, the Election Commission needs to take initiative, call an all-party meeting and a unanimous decision on these protocols need to be arrived at and different monitoring meetings over a period of time as the situation develops.
Do you think that elections should be conducted? Because we have seen as to when the second wave was going on, there was elections in Bengal, there were elections in Kerala, and at the same time there were elections in Bihar also when the first wave was there of the COVID one.
See, right now it is premature to say that the election should not be conducted because the wave is just knocking on our doors, but we don't know how it will develop. Therefore, routinely, maybe a weekly monitoring by all party meet in which government and election commission are also party in Lucknow, that should take place so that all the information and facts are put before the leaders of all parties and unanimously decisions on these protocols. If protocols in terms of how to campaign and all the other matters related to elections can be arrived upon. This should not be an issue of doing politics. This should be an issue above politics.
You were saying earlier that it is the Agni Pariksha of Election Commission. Why?
Election Commission over the last few years have, in the impression of the people, has somehow lost the kind of credibility that it always has stood for. Even the Chief Election Commissioner and election commissioners attending meetings called by PMO recently had created a furor. Even before this, during the last round of assembly elections, Bengal elections, etc., some of the decisions of the election commissions were under cloud. So it is now up to the election commission to exhibit to the nation that it is above board and it is under nobody's influence. And I hope that Uttar Pradesh will be a litmus test or Agni Pariksha for Election Commission in that regards.
That was Mr. Dipendra Hooda speaking to us with journalist Zia Supriya Bhardwaj for India Today in Delhi.